As the school bell rings, a wave of laughter and chatter fills the air as children spill out into the bright morning sunlight with two best friends leading the way, their smiles wide and infectious. They share a secret joke, their laughter blending with the sounds of their classmates as they stroll down the sidewalk, each step echoing the carefree spirit of childhood. As they pass by blooming trees and colorful flower beds, the soft breeze carries the sweet scent of spring, adding to the magic of the moment. They pause to catch a glimpse of a playful puppy darting across the grass, their eyes sparkling with delight and curiosity. With a shared glance of excitement, they decide to chase after the puppy, their laughter ringing out as they sprint across the field, embodying the essence of freedom.